Alright, hello neighbors. Today I have a very special guest. I have my mother. She has come from LA all the way down to Seoul to check out, you know, the Future Neighbor studio. So Mom, come on in.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Everybody?
Mom, what do you think about the Future Neighbor studio? Isn't it amazingly?
So big.
Yes, yes. We've worked on this answer.
엄청 big.
If big means small. Yes. So Mom, what recipe do you have in mind today? Or you want to teach the people? I'm going to fall to the back. Mom, you go to the front and you explain what we're making today.
Ttukbaegi Bulgogi. It's a Seoul style. I make it.
Yes.
I'm
yes.
going to make it.
Yes, this recipe, if the ladies go on a vacation, ladies only vacation, and you leave the husbands behind, perfect. You just make a big batch and then they just put it in a pot, cook away with some rice, and you're good to go. Alright, Oma, it's been 1 year since our last video in California. Are you ready to do it again?
Let's go today.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. So Mom, how much beef do we need today?
1kg 정도 필요한데?
1 kilogram. Yeah.
페이퍼 타올을 커팅 보드에다 깔고.
This is just to get rid of that
약간
blood.
촉촉하지?
Yeah, it's a little bit wet. Yeah.
Okay.
This just gets rid of that sort of beefy smell that you get if you get too much like blood. It's like a nice sheet mask. Nice.
그렇지?
4.5 cups of water.
1.
That's 1.
데니엘,
Uh-huh.
진짜 이거 서울 물 너무 좋더라. 내가 샤워해보니까 머리가 얼마나 매끈한지 정말 피부도
미국 물보다 더 나은 것 같아?
그럼 미국 물은 좀 억셔, 좀 세, 스트롱해.
아 그래?
근데
It's
이거는
hard?
굉장히 소프트하고 아우 샤워해보니까 굉장히 몸도 매끄럽고 머리가 첫째 머리카락이 아주 찰랑찰랑. 너무 기분 좋았어. 서울 사람들이 왜 그렇게 피부가 좋은가 했더니 물 때문이었어. 이제 알았는데?
엄마도 미국에 이거 생명물을 사용해? 이거 맛있던데.
생명물 간장 나 여기서 처음 보는 것 같아.
그래? 갖고 가. 내가 좀 줄게. 맛있어.
Half cup.
And next we have anchovy sauce.
Yes.
In Korean, how do we pronounce that, 엄마?
멸치 액젓.
That's right.
4 tablespoon. Okay?
4
tablespoon.
Yes.
1.
That's 1. And 4 tablespoon. Matsul, which is mirim.
Rice wine.
Yes.
Okay? 1 cup.
Yes.
1 cup.
Mom, I want you to do your best English right now. Ready?
Vinegar.
No, complete sentence, please.
You need to vinegar.
We need to vinegar가 아닌데.
뭐라고?
We need what?
Vinegar.
Say we need 1. 그다음에 이제 엄마. We need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 해봐봐.
You need to.
나 2가 아니지. We need 1.
You need 1 tablespoon vinegar.
Close, Mom. You missed the of. of가 들어가야지.
그래.
Take 2. Take 2. 20 years. 30 years in the U.S. Come on, Mom.
You need 1 tablespoon vinegar.
Oh, you missed it again. of가 들어간다. We need 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Take 3. Come on, Mama.
We need 1 tablespoon vinegar.
Oh my gosh, 못하겠다. Excellent. Excellent. I'm just joking, Mama.
아이씨. 무슨 시험 보는 학생 같은 애. 아, 창피해.
아, 그래야지 요리가 재밌지. 자.
데니엘, 우리 다시 한번 영어로 내가 엄마가 try best 한번 해볼게.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, with confidence. The next ingredient.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
Nice. Great job, Mom.
1.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
야, 올리고당 어디 갔어?
없어 우리. 올리고당 안 사. 우린 꿀로 해.
근데 꿀도 뭐 모자라는데?
아니야, 더 있어.
그래?
And then?
오랫동안 내려와.
손 아프지? 좀 더 사고 올 걸.
완전 벌 받고 있어 지금.
And second tablespoon.
Yeah, yes.
Good. All right.
여기다가 딱 샤워 풍당
Mm.
이렇게 나눌 거야.
Mm.
오, 진짜
Take a nice bath. And then with chopsticks, you want to separate them apart so that they get a nice, even dunking.
엄마 이거 하나 줘.
이거 비싸, 엄마.
그래? 엄마 하나 살게.
농담이야.
너무 예쁘네. 다 검정색이야 근데?
아니야, 색깔 한 8개 정도 돼.
아 그래? 너무 예뻐.
엄마 아직도 요리해야지. 끝나지 않았잖아.
아니 이거 입고 할래.
네.
아까 뭐 깜빡했네.
Okay.
와, 캐럿. I need a carrot.
Yes. To have a snack or for our ingredients?
ingredient.
Okay. 그러면 how much?
2분의 1.
We need 1/2? Alright. Cut it like Spam.
Yes. 이렇게.
1 whole onion.
Yes. 이렇게
And then take
여기를.
out the stem part.
Yes.
Separate it a little bit.
이렇게. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7만 필요해.
7 cloves of garlic.
네.
Alright. 3 tablespoons of sesame oil.
Yes. 3.
2 tablespoons of sesame seeds.
Yes, yeah. 2.
Alright, and then just look at this mix. There's no way this wouldn't taste amazing. Maybe 5 or 6?
No, too much. 3 times, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Beautiful.
Yes. Alright, so how much time do we need to marinate?
제일 맛있게 하는 타임은 12시간.
So overnight?
overnight. 그냥 배고프면 5시간 정도.
Good.
그다음에 크림.
We're going to use some enoki mushrooms and just, of course, our spring
그래.
onions.
물 있는 데는 다 잘라. 자, 쓰레기는 버리고 잡채 만드는 거 알지?
Yeah, this is the Korean vermicelli noodles, and it tastes really good in this bulgogi stew.
Yeah.
So we're going to.
지금 찬물에 콜드 워터에 조금 한 1hour 그 정도면은 많이 안 넣어도 돼.
It's been how many hours? Maybe 6 hours now.
이거야.
아니 왜 이렇게 갑자기 왜 그래? All right, guys, it's been 5-6 hours. We're very hungry. Let's make the ttukbaegi.
뚝배기 불고기.
Yes.
Wow,
We made a big batch.
it's huge.
Yep. So just put as much as you want. Put it in the middle.
And 고기 많이 넣을까?
I think that's good enough.
국물.
Yeah, and then we need some broth. So we want to put enough of this broth in. That's the whole point of Ttukbaegi Bulgogi, is that you want to put that leftover broth in. And we're going to put enough to cover or submerge the beef. My mom has put a mound in. So 이거를 이렇게 stack하지 말고 흐트러져야지 어느 정도 잠금. So I'm gonna knock it over just so we have an even amount, and we'll see how much broth we need. Yeah, I
This
think it's
much.
good enough, just barely enough to submerge it. Good. Put it on a medium heat,
이거 왜 안 돼?
and we're gonna wait until our ttukbaegi comes up to boil. 엄마, 이거 유튜브 하면서.
야, 못 하겠다. 이거.
Guys, we forgot to cut the meat, so you can use your scissors and cut them while they're coming up to boil. Actually, you could have done this step earlier, but we were having too much fun and we forgot.
이게 이렇게 젓가락이나 뭐 이런 걸로 한번 이렇게 뒤집어줘봐.
Yeah. Alright, and now when it's boiling, we're going to add we're using tangmyeon, that Korean vermicelli noodles. Throw that in there. Enoki mushrooms in Korean, pegi. 아니다, 뭐지?
팽이버섯.
팽이, I'm sorry. 팽이버섯. And
Mix.
our spring onions.
Wow.
Alright, and that's it.
됐어.
너무 맛있게 보인다.
장난 아닌데? 이거 히트 레시피 되겠다.
먹어봐. 이런 걸 어떻게 집에서?
맛있는데?
맛있지?
응.
Tastes really good.
That's like out of a commercial.
Let's scoop it up here.
Katie's off-camera day. Doesn't want to be on camera. It's all good. Grab a little bit of the noodles, my favorite. Oh my gosh. Grab a little bit of our bulgogi. We put it on top. Of course, a little bit of our enoki mushrooms. And then Grab a little bit of the broth, put it over the top, over that rice, and it's only right that our big mama takes the first bite.
Good.